Morning everyone, welcome to another Art of Crypto video. Today's markets, like yesterday's one, are moving laterally. It's only gone up by 0.73%, which really isn't much in the crypto market. The global crypto market cap is now standing at 2.16 trillion. It's a very good sign because it broke above that $2 trillion psychological level and it just kept going up, and it gained a further 160 billion, which is great. Bitcoin is down by 0.34%, Ethereum is up by 0.18%. We see that coins are moving slowly in either the upwards or downwards direction. Obviously, there are token-specific factors that are moving these coins in certain directions, and that's why we see a mix and mash of reds and greens. Solana has gone up by 10%, and we'll speak about why Solana went up in just about a minute. Avalanche up by 6%, Polkadot by 2%. So it is a mix and match of up and down, and the markets are moving laterally. And I think we'll see this for the next few days before anything major happens. Looking now at the Bitcoin chart, it is still flirting with the $47,000 support level. We have seen the market sort of just trade along this line. It's not even going up, it's not even going down. Everyone is keeping everyone else at bay, in the sense that when the bulls try and push the prices up, the bears quickly sell off and the prices get wrecked again. At the same time, when the bears try and get into the market in order to sell to go below this $47,000 support level, the bulls come up and buy up the dip. So this tug of war between the bulls and the bears is causing the price to stagnate in this price range. So between $47,000 and $48,300 level. But more recently, this range has become even less, so it's a sign of consolidation. When there's consolidation, there's usually a breakout or a massive decrease. But in this case, the markets are looking positive. Adoption is going up. So I think that the more likely scenario is that Bitcoin, and by extent, the crypto market, is going to go up. So why did Solana go up by 10%? This is simply because NFT trading rose by 80% following an OpenSea reveal. So if NFT trading with Solana goes up, then that brings up the demand for Solana tokens, which pushes its prices up. So NFT purchases in the Solana ecosystem has gone up because of rising demand for them. And why did this happen? It's because of yesterday's news that NFT marketplace OpenSea, which is the leading #1 marketplace, will implement Solana NFTs come April. So until now, OpenSea only deals in Ethereum NFTs. And there have been rumors that OpenSea will support Solana NFTs very soon. And now it is confirmed. There was a teaser to confirm that Solana NFTs are going to come to OpenSea in April. And because of that, people are starting to hoard or buy a lot of Solana NFTs, especially in Solana NFT marketplaces like Magic Eden, possibly to keep it and trade it in OpenSea once Solana NFT trading becomes available. Because this will add a lot of value due to the fact that OpenSea has a lot more people registered than Magic Eden, meaning that it opens the floor to a lot more opportunities to sell at a higher price. Because if there is a higher demand for Solana NFTs, it means that the prices also go up, meaning that people who are selling NFTs in Magic Eden for 3 Solana can sell it for 10 Solana in OpenSea. Also, it is worth noting that Ethereum generates significantly more trading overall, with over $67 million worth in volume over the past day versus $13 million on Solana. And this trading volume is merely relating to NFTs, and still that $13 million figure is very significant in a younger Solana space. And Crypto Slam shows that about $147 million worth of Solana trading took place over the past 30 days. So the past day's sum is a significant uptick over the recent daily average, which means that people want to buy and sell Solana NFTs. They've been waiting for this for a very long time. And this is due to the fact that OpenSea is the biggest NFT marketplace in the world, but they only allow for the trading of Ethereum NFTs. And because Ethereum is slow, it's not scalable, it means that in order for you to buy, let's say, a $500 NFT, you'll have to pay over $100 in fees, which don't make sense. However, if you're going to buy the same NFT in the Solana network, you would pay fees of, let's say, $1 maximum, because it is so scalable. And that's what makes Solana NFT so attractive. their low gas fees. On other news, Shiba Inu's metaverse will feature more than 100,000 land plots. So developers behind the popular meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu have unveiled details of their virtual reality project SHIB the Metaverse, announcing 100,595 land plots, some which will remain private, probably for the owners and for special VIPs that will want some plots in the Shiba Metaverse. And the introductory stage will include 36,431 plots divided into sort of 4 tiers: silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. And there will be priced between 0.2 ether to 1 ether. So silver for is probably 0.2 ether and diamond teeth probably 1 ether. It is a tier system. Land buyers will be able to generate passive income, gather in-game resources, and generate rewards. So it's not only a land plot just without any use case. Land buyers will have some use case if this project takes off. And the metaverse will be developed in Shibarium, a layer 2 solution for SHIB. And I think that there is a huge movement behind SHIB. It's almost like a religion. And when this metaverse comes out and when it's released, I think these plots are going to be quickly bought up, and that will drive up the demand for Shiba Inu. So just a tip, not financial advice, just a tip. The state of Washington in the United States passes a bill to expand local blockchain adoption. So this bill was first proposed 3 years ago, and it had one veto, so it didn't pass. But today, Washington State Governor Jay Inslee has signed a bill into law that aims to expand the state's adoption of blockchain technology across various financial and industrial sectors. So people think that blockchain is just crypto. No, blockchain is a technology in itself that is what crypto use, but it has a lot more use cases, and it will revolutionize how everyone does everything. It will overhaul all the systems in all the governments around the world to become more efficient and safer. So this law orders the formation of the Washington Blockchain Work Group, which will study the practical applications of blockchain technology, and they'll have to present findings to the governor by December 1st, 2023. So it gives some time for the study, research, and sort of perfection of blockchain technology in order to implement it into the government. And I think even though the findings will only be presented in December 1st, 2023, which is the end of next year, blockchain technology will be slowly implemented even before then. So Washington is the latest among a number of US states to have embraced blockchain technology or cryptocurrency, including New York, Texas, and Wyoming. So, for example, New York State is one of the biggest sites for crypto mining in the United States, contributed 20% of the country's total Bitcoin hash rate. Texas, they contribute 14% of the hash rate. And this is because they have very cheap electricity and a lot of land. So a lot of miners have gone there, especially since China banned cryptocurrency mining. All those miners flocked to Texas. On other sort of regulatory US news, Phoenix suburbs are now going to take Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin for utility bills. So Chandler, which is a Phoenix suburb, said that residents can pay in these 3 cryptocurrencies that are held in their PayPal accounts, but the city won't ever touch the coins. The utility payments processor Invoice Cloud will sell it for fiat. So you will pay for your utilities, electricity, water, gas, whatever, in crypto. They will take that crypto and convert it into fiat, and that's when it's going to go into the city treasury. And this is mainly due to the fact that they want to serve its residents with the newest technologies such as crypto payments. And Chandler is not the first US city or suburb to match crypto payments with utilities. Mercedes in Texas voted to research the subject in November, months after Williston in North Dakota brought its offering online. So I think it's becoming like sort of a domino effect. One city implements cryptocurrency, which causes another one to implement, which causes another one to implement, which causes another one to implement. And I think this will have an even further domino effect where most of the suburbs and cities in the United States will accept crypto payments for its utility bills at some point in the future. But one caveat is that Chandler's choice of PayPal means that bill payers can't use their self-custodied coins, meaning that it's a little bit less safe because you want to have full control over your crypto. You'll have to rely on PayPal for now, but I guess that's better than nothing. On other news, Blockchain.com's value rockets to 14 billion after a funding round. So the firm's valuation increased by almost threefold from 5.2 billion to 14 billion. And Blockchain.com is now one of the world's largest cryptocurrency companies and offers a wide range of blockchain-based financial services from its exchange platform and crypto wallets all the way to specific institutional products. It has more than 37 million verified users with 82 million wallets and over $1 trillion in total transaction value across its platform. And this is of paramount importance, and this is a mirror of what happened in the late 1990s and in the early 2000s when the tech companies started taking off. The tech companies grew very, very quickly, and now they're basically taken over the world in terms of the top market cap companies. And I think similar to that, blockchain companies and crypto companies by extent will become the new tech companies. Their values are skyrocketing year after year. Soon we'll see blockchain.com reaching market caps of $100 billion if this growth doesn't stop. And we'll see blockchain companies among the top 50 of the most valuable companies in the world very, very soon. Finally, Lionel Messi signs a multi-year deal to promote fan token firm Socios. So the best player in the world has signed a deal reportedly worth $20 million to promote fan token platform Socios on the world stage. So Socios fan tokens are Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies that are tied to popular soccer teams. So a lot of soccer teams such as PSG, AS Roma, Arsenal, Man City, Barcelona, Juventus, and AC Milan use Socios in order to create and promote their fan tokens. Messi will become a brand ambassador and participate in several promotional and educational campaigns. He will also share Socios-related content on various social media channels with his followers, and he has millions and millions of people, and that's why they're paying him the big bucks. So what the Socios fan tokens do is they're very similar to governance tokens. The holders of these tokens become sort of like a shareholder stakeholder in the football club, and they have privileges such as exclusive benefits and voting rights. They also receive additional VIP rewards attached to their respective teams, depending on how many tokens they hold, as well as other types of promotion. These tokens also give holders the ability to vote on things like the introduction music before kickoff, or even which jersey a team wear during matches. And this is great because it gives the fans an added value and it gives them a sense of belonging to the club. They will feel that their decisions matter and that their favorite club is basing their decisions because of them. So it brings the fans and the clubs closer together. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with your family and friends. Invest wisely, and cheers.